Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. How? So if you've been looking for money, you're interested in doing a government contracts, but you know that there may be a long wait in between. Well, grants could be the answer. That's right. If you've been looking for grants, just didn't know where to go, then stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to talk about what you need to do to look at winning a small business grant. Ready? Let's go. So the Minority Business Development Agency is the one that I'm going to talk to you about. It is an actual department underneath the government, actually a Department of Commerce. Started back in 69 or 19 something with President Nixon. So this department is actually where these grants are. And there's a lot of small grants that can really help you, your small business. So the first thing you want to do is you need to be registered. I'm going to give you 4 things you need to do. The first thing, maybe 5. The first thing you need to do is you need to be registered in sam.gov. So go ahead and get registered in SAMS. Then you're going to do number 2. You're going to go to grants.gov. That's grants.gov. That's the second thing you're going to do. You're going to make sure your company is registered in grants.gov. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you understand the actual, the application and everything for the grant that you're seeking. There's several grants, so take your time and really look and see what is going to be a good fit for your company. Then the fourth thing you're going to want to do is look at what the evaluation is. What are they going to evaluate you on, and make sure that you've got that all together. And number 5 is you're then going to make sure that you submit it early. Do not wait to the last minute. Too much is riding at stake. Now, I know this could be really confusing, so if you want some additional information, please reach out to us at 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. Me and my success team would love to give you all the information and tell you exactly and direct you what you need to do. Now, if you'd like to know more detailed information, then this is what you can do. You can sign up for my free workshop where I go over sams.gov, how to bid, where the best places to find the bids, to make sure that you can understand all about grants and everything that goes with obtaining government cleaning contracts. Or if you're looking at doing facility services, that includes landscaping, windows, everything, sanitizing, disinfecting, and the list goes on and on and on. So like I said, if you'd like to know more, make sure you sign up for our free masterclass so you can learn all about grants.gov and sams.gov and all the other .govs that are going to help you win this government cleaning contract, or if you're looking to do facility services. Space is limited, so I'd love to see you there. Click the link below to register, and until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.